tech vlogs. All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Samsung Galaxy Note unboxing on first booting. Guess what? The beast is back. That's all I gotta say. So the reason we're here for is to see what's inside the box. And I'm gonna give you a little, a little something by booting out these badass. So get ready for that. Other than that, in the meantime, lovely people, make sure to read the mini specs that I'm giving you. If you want more specs concerning this device, go on our channel. We have everything covered about the Note 8. All right. So let's see what's inside the box. What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to share the videos. Subscribe if it's your first time out here. 10K of likes is going to lend 2 of you free an electronic gift card. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, baby. The return of the beast. The terror is back. The return of the beast. The iPhone killer is here. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, this feels good. This looks good. I've heard a lot of people saying it looks like the S8 Plus. Is this not the case for me? Let me take this plastic off. Just don't hide the details for you trolls out there. You know what I mean? Yeah, this looks good. This looks totally good. It feels good in the hand. It feels totally good in the hand. So as I said, 10K is going to land 2 or 3 of you an electronic gift card. So make sure to like the video. Make sure to destroy that like button. Then right about there, we got the 2 dual cameras. On the side, you got your power button, as usual. More sensors right at the top to do all them good stuff that we like. Your SIM slot right at the top there. Antenna bands. Nice and curvy. It feels good in the hand. I'm not lying to you. Your S Pen. Your speaker grill. I hope you can see it. Your USB Type-C port on your headphone jack port. And, the curves. It's not really curvy as the S8 or the S8 Plus, but we're talking about Note here. So let's see what's inside the box, what's inside the rest of the box. Injector tool, your usual quick starter guides. You put on the side. Your power block, USB power adapter, your block, put on the side. So that's the fast charger, by the way. All right. Your USB connector, USB Type-C. Another USB, which is more designed for the micro USB connector right there. So this will help you out with your old device. So I've got all these things already due to the S8, so I'm not gonna open them up. You got the nipples. Oh, sorry. The nibs. The nibs. Tweezer on pen nibs, to be exact. All right. Your USB cable, Type C, by the way. This is like 1/2 meter, you know, in terms of length. These are your extra cushion. I call them cushion, you know, for your ears. And your AKG earphones. So these earpiece, they're pretty dope for me. I like them. And it comes with the mic. So that's what's inside the box. That's what's inside the box. Make sure to double check us out if you want more spec, the full spec of the Note 8. We got it all covered. All right. Check it out. Check it out. Let's see the new S Pen. The S Pen apparently has been also revamped. You know. Let's boot this badass up. First booting of the Note 8. The beast is back. Don't be jealous. Don't hate. Participate. Remember that. So we're gonna do the usual good stuff that you need to do to boot up your brand new smartphone. I love the screen. You know, we're gonna be doing a full review, by the way, about the Note 8. There's no doubt. I'm gonna be showing you more tricks. We got a lot to come. All right, we got a lot coming up concerning this, the new Note 8. So you just gotta follow the process. Watch and learn at this very time of point. Watch and learn. If it's your first time, by the way. But it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. You can see it took like, it's a little 5 to 10 minutes to get this thing sorted. You got to make sure, if you want to use the Bixby, you have to go to Samsung Galaxy store and make sure that all your apps are updated, including the Bixby. The Bixby so far have been dope. This is the new camera. You know we got 2 lenses now. And we're gonna be doing a full test on what's concerning the camera. Pretty dope. Look at the details. Let's compare it to the real thing. And yeah, you can see it for yourself. Be the judge. You know, you got 2 cameras to play with. One is a long telephoto lens, and the other one's just the normal 12 MP, which is megapixel for you and me. Let's see what the S Pen can do right about now. I'm gonna show you a little something that I pretty much like. Voila. You can do, just check this out. Check this out. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is. Just watch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Picasso, live and direct. That's me. That's how we do it. And you can send this to your friends, your relatives, you know, a straight gift. Beautiful. Beautiful. But you know what? For the purpose of the video, I pretty much accelerated a lot of the pictures, a lot of the, you can see yourself that the video have been accelerated a lot because I didn't want the video to be an hour long or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoying it so far. Make sure to thumbs up the video. All right. Thanks for watching. And we shall surely see you on the next one. I hope this one was helpful. Leave all your comments right down below, your questions. We shall surely see you on the next one. Take it easy out there and keep it lit. Peace out. Let's do it and do it. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah.